Hello and welcome to SeharH Gsm services. Today I'm going to show you our new innovative UFS kit which is using for Flash 64 box and Easy JTAG Plus box. So let me show you what things you are gonna get in the kit. First of all, you will get a extra female header jack. For sometime you see this jack, maybe it can break or it can damage, so you can use this extra female adapter. This male header pins, it can be used for easy JTAG plus socket, but this will I will show you on the video on next. So how you can use it, and you will get this flash 64 converter PCB adapter to sold with the F64 box, and you will get easy JTAG plus box converters PCB for solder this on Easy JTAG Plus box UFS socket. And this is the main adapter which will be used to connect the ISP pinouts like RxTX and RST, etc. So many people they ask me what is the usage of this switch. Actually, most of the phones like Hawaii with the high silicon CPU and Samsung phone with the Exynos CPU, when you connect direct to ISP and you put the USB cable into the on the phone, then phone didn't accept or take any port like for Exynos is EUB mode, or for high silicon it is Hawaii COM 1.0 mode. So for boot mode, you can press and hold this button and put USB cable into your phone, and your phone will be go into the boot mode. So this is the main reason we use this switch for put your phone in boot mode. On here we use a switch which is come with the flash 64 box as extra on your pouch. If you see your box pouch, you will have this switch inside your box. So that switch you can sold here, which can be used for some Samsung phones and other things. This kind of these things we already discussed on our group for Flash 64 box. So when you buy the kit, we will share you the group link. You can join our group, and all of the things we have discussed there with the details. So let me show you how we gonna use it and what is the benefit of this kit. If for example we have a connected the phone with the Flash 64 box already, so like I think we want to move to Easy JTAG Plus box. Definitely we have to change the ISP wires because of F64 have the different pinouts, and Easy JTAG Plus box have the different pinouts. So by our converter PCBs, what will happen when you solder it on your boxes? So the pinouts will be the same. So you don't need to change the ISP wires again and again, and it will be just like plug and play. You just plug here, so you can plug to Easy JTAG box. So you don't need to change the wires again and again. The wires you can connect it with our main adapter, and main adapter can be connected like plug and play with any JTAG. So let me show you how you're gonna connect it first, these PCB with the boxes. For first of all, we can show you for Easy JTAG Plus box. These pins, you see, it can be used here for you can solder and you can put it on Easy JTAG Plus box socket. If you have the old socket it is come without this male header pins. That's why we give these extra pins to you. If you have an old socket, you can solder these pins here, and then you can put it here on Easy JTAG Plus socket. But if you have a new socket, they are coming with the pins already, so you don't need to put these pins in your PCB. You just place on the pins and you can just solder it like this. So it will be show like this, it will be look like this. As you can see, I have an old socket, so that's why I use this male header pins. But if you have a new socket, you don't need these pins. they are already there. You just place the PCB there and you can solder it from top. So this will be ready. And for flash 64 box, it is also easy. As you can see, it is just a cut edge pins from down, from center and from top. So you can solder from any way. You just solder it like this. You can connect point 1 to 1. Let me, yeah, you can connect point 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5. And this 0 point, it is is a, as you can see, is a RST point. So you can take a jumper and put it here on 0 point. Same like here for EasyJTag plus box. When you connect it, you will have a point on the center that is called for RST or VCCQ2. If you have a new socket, you can connect this point to RST, and if you have an old socket like me, I do use RST from this point of number 3, from the left side of this socket. So you can just hold it, so your RST point will also ready, because of the RST point is very important in UFS chips. So you must solve these points on Flash 64 and EasyJTag plus box also. So let me show you how you can easily connect between both JTAGs a phone very easily without changing the ISP wires. First of all, we can use the EasyJTag plus box. We plugged it and we plug the socket here. Just plug the main adapter, and for this button, you see, just press and hold this button and put USB cable. You will hear a sound. Yeah, so that means your phone is on boot mode. Just leave this button. Let's go to EasyJTag plus box. We can connect the session and we can connect it again. As you can see, it is very stable connected at very first connectivity without any error. Without any issue. So for now, for example, now I want to move to Flash 64 box. Just plug your box and take out this adapter from here, and you're gonna connect it just like this. So it's easy peasy job. You don't need to change the wires. You don't have to be stressed again and again. Like now, we can connect Flash 64 box, and it is already on ISP mode. I just press, and you will see how fast this adapter will be give you connectivity. Like I told you, just press and hold the boot mode button and put USB cable. When it is on boot mode, just leave the switch and you will see it is very fast and very stable connected. As you can see, it is connected. It is Hawaii phone, and let me show you its read write speed. I select the skip user data. Okay, let me save it here. As you can see, it is very stable and high speed gear connected, 112 and 104 megabytes per second minimum. So you can see it is very fast and very stable connectivity with our adapter, and it is very easy to connect between EasyJTag and Flash 64 box. So by this kit, actually, by EasyJTag box, UFS chips you can connect it by hardly or easily. Sometimes hard, sometimes is a easy job, but EasyJTag box can identify the UFS chip very easy, or sometimes little hard, but it can detect it. But if you come to Flash 64 box, it is really hard and impossible job. Like without everyone knows you cannot connect a UFS chip direct to the F64 box. So that's why we have invented and created this adapters So these adapters, they are very stable. They will give you a very stable connectivity and very fast connectivity. As you can see, it is still reading at high speed without any error, any single error. And you can see it is read more than 8.5 GB backup file within 1 minute and 20 seconds. That is, you can see, it is like unbelievable. So this is our for you, our new innovative kit. Use our kit and please give us your feedback, how it is good for you or how bad it is for you. You must please give your feedback to us, which can be help us to improve our new products in future. So this is that is all for today from us. On next video we will meet again with the new innovation and new product. Till then, see ya, bye bye, thank you so much.